Before buying a budget vacuum sealer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most cheap models can't actually handle moist foods without leaking or failing. But the real buyers are definitely talking about which ones actually seal properly, and which ones just look good online.
Product number 1, MegaWise 80 kPa Sealer. The MegaWise vacuum sealer caught my eye because it's one of the most affordable options under $40, yet still promises strong 80 kPa suction and comes with bags and a built-in cutter. For the price, it looks like a solid deal, especially if you're just starting with food preservation and don't want to break the bank. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 80 kPa suction is decent for dry foods like bread, cheese, or pre-cooked meals, and it seals in just 10 to 20 seconds. The built-in sliding cutter is a nice touch. No need for scissors, and you can customize bag sizes easily. It also includes 10 BPA-free bags and supports external vacuum containers, which is rare at this price. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular with budget-conscious shoppers who want basic functionality without extras. Now, some people complained about inconsistent sealing on moist foods like soups or marinated meats, especially if the liquid gets too close to the seal line. Here's the thing though, this isn't designed for heavy-duty wet sealing. If you're mostly storing dry goods or pre-frozen items, it works fine. But if you plan to seal saucy dishes regularly, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you're meal prepping dry snacks, freezing bread, or storing leftovers occasionally. Skip this one if you're into sous vide or sealing liquids frequently. For under $36, it's a fair value. Just know its limits.
Product number 2, Gatsby 95 kilopascal Double Seal. Now, if the MegaWise's weak moist sealing bothered you, the Gatsby takes a completely different approach. This is a premium feeling machine packed with features you'd expect on models twice the price. Stainless steel body, 95 kilopascal suction, double heat sealing, and even a progress display. It's clearly built for serious home cooks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual sealing strips create an airtight barrier that's essential for sous vide cooking. No leaks during long water baths. The pulse mode lets you manually control suction, so delicate items like berries or soft cheeses won't get crushed. Plus, it has built-in bag storage and a cutter, reducing waste and keeping your kitchen tidy. It even supports vacuum containers, sold separately, which most budget sealers ignore. With a 5-year quality guarantee and US-based support that replies within 8 hours, this feels like a long-term investment. Now, some people complained about the weight. 6.5 pounds makes it less portable and harder to store in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the sturdy construction. If you have the counter space and want durability, it's worth it. But if you're tight on room or move appliances often, this might feel bulky. This is perfect for you if you cook sous vide, meal prep in bulk, or want a machine that lasts years. Skip this one if you need something ultra light or have very limited space. At $110, it's the most expensive here, but delivers pro-level performance.
Product number 3, LKK NC 95 kilopascal multifunctional. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday versatility. The LKK NC offers 95 kilopascal section, multiple modes, and a clever vertical design, all under $40. It's like they packed a high-end sealer into a compact, affordable package. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It handles dry, moist, pulse, and even jar sealing, so you can preserve everything from steak to soup to opened wine. The single and double seal options let you choose strength based on need, and the built-in cutter and bag storage keep things organized. The vertical design saves nearly 50% counter space, which is huge if your kitchen is small. It also includes a full starter kit with rolls and pre-cut bags, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy compared to metal models. Here's the thing though, for under $40, the performance outweighs the materials. It doesn't feel cheap during use, just lighter. If you're careful with it, it'll last. This is perfect for you if you want strong suction, multiple functions, and space-saving design on a budget. Skip this one if you need industrial durability or plan to use it multiple times a day. For $39.99, it's one of the best value picks here. Product number 4, LSA Apparel 75 kPa Compact. Now, if the LKKNC size still feels too big, this next one is for minimalists. The LSA Apparel Sealer is tiny, under $28, and still delivers 75 kPa suction. It's one of the smallest and cheapest options that doesn't completely sacrifice function. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The digital timer shows exactly how much sealing time is left, which helps prevent oversealing or undersealing, a common issue with basic models. It has 4 modes: dry, moist, pulse, and seal, covering most daily needs. The compact size fits in drawers or small cabinets, and at just 1.8 pounds, it's easy to move around. It even includes 20 bags and extra foam seals, which is generous for the price. Now, some people complained about weaker suction on thicker bags or frozen items, sometimes requiring a second seal. Here's the thing though, 75 kPa is on the lower end, so it's best for light to medium use. If you're sealing thin bags or pre-thawed food, it works great, but don't expect heavy-duty performance. This is perfect for you if you have a tiny kitchen, seal food occasionally, or want the cheapest reliable option. Skip this one if you freeze large cuts of meat or need consistent deep suction. At $27.99, it's a steal for basic use.
Product number 5, InstaSeal Upright Design. Finally, if you hate clutter and want something that stands up instead of lying down, the InstaSeal's upright design is a game changer. At just 5 by 5 inches, it takes up less space than a coffee maker, but still delivers strong sealing with automatic sensor technology. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The smart sensor detects when all air is removed and stops automatically, preventing oversuction that can crush delicate foods. It creates a double seal for extra protection against freezer burn, and the top-mounted controls make it intuitive to use. It's also one of the few compact sealers that handles marinades and soups well, thanks to the no-leak design. Perfect for sous vide enthusiasts with limited counter space. Now, some people complained about the smaller bag capacity. It works best with standard 8 by 12 inch bags, and larger items can be tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're sealing portion-sized meals or pre-portioned ingredients, it's ideal. It's not meant for whole turkeys. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, space-saving sealer that handles liquids and delicate foods well. Skip this one if you need to seal large or irregularly shaped items. At $79.99, it's mid-range, but the design and smart features justify the cost.
So which one should you buy? If you want the cheapest, reliable option, go with LSA Apparel. Need strong suction and versatility? LKKNC or Gasby. Tight on space? InstaSeal's upright design wins. And if you're on a tight budget but want decent performance, MegaWise holds up. Just avoid wet foods. Each has trade-offs, but all deliver real value under $110.